I accidentally used my landlord's doorbell camera to catch my boyfriend cheating minus with my sister when my phone died during a late-night Uber ride home. I borrowed the driver's phone to access my apartment building. Instead of opening my regular doorbell app, I clicked on what I thought was the guest access code, but the app that opened wasn't mine. It was my landlord's master system showing all the building's cameras. That's when I saw them, my boyfriend and my sister stumbling drunkenly toward my door at 2 a.m. I watched, frozen in horror as they fumbled with keys between passionate kisses. The Uber driver awkwardly cleared his throat as tears streamed down my face. Want me to keep driving? He asked. No, I whispered. Take me there now. I had the driver wait as I entered the building silently. Instead of going to my apartment, I knocked on my landlord's door. When he answered, bleary-eyed, I simply pointed to his phone notification. Motion detected at apartment 4B. We watched together as my boyfriend and sister frantically gathered clothes when my keys jingled in the door, except it wasn't me entering minus it was my landlord with an emergency maintenance issue. My sister moved out of state the next day. My ex still doesn't know how I found out, but the Uber driver got a $100 tip and a 5-star review. Sometimes the universe hands you exactly the evidence you need.